guys, so we started off the day, well, the lunch time, and don't know, Jilly was sleeping as I didn't even know sleep like
I was at my yard.
Trust me, vibes. So right now Jilly got some oxtail, some rice and peas. I got chicken breast and I got some potatoes.
Welcome to Second on Ireland, we're stuck with us and we're always smiling.
Yeah guys, you see I have on my computer glasses. I was editing just now, so I forgot. But anyway, welcome back to Second on Ireland, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. It's time to eat. So we're gonna eat. I'm gonna finish editing what I was editing, and then we are going to go snorkeling again, because in the last video you guys saw where this morning we got very up close and personal with the turtles. Actually no, we were far and personal with the turtles, but I want to swim beside one. I want to touch a turtle. Okay, anyway, let's get some food and then we'll go swimming. Alright guys, like we said, we are going back to the water. We want to try to find the turtles. Of course, Shauna down here is holding a vibe. I don't know if you can hear the music. Can you hear the music?
Yes, I can.
Yes, you can. Alright, let's, we can also hear the vibes. We are back at Paradise. Alright, so we just got to our little place, but we want to go to a different little place, you know, around by the lagoon where the water is a little bit deeper, and probably show you guys somewhere different. Theo, it's okay, I got you, boy, I got you, no problem. So we're gonna go over there, and oh, the water is touching my feet and it's cold. But yeah, we're gonna go over there, do a little bit of swimming around, and it's gonna be a vibe. It's a nice little evening. Sun is not too hot, not too many people out, I would suppose, so vibes. Alright, so Theo got his water. Theo was good. I didn't bring no water, but it's okay, cause I'm a trooper troop. He's a troopy trooper, yeah. You know where that's come from, Judy? I'm a goofy gooper, yeah. No? Okay, never mind. SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Oh, you know what's SpongeBob?
Alright. So, yeah, some nice little spots. We were down there somewhere yesterday. Somewhere off there. We were. Yeah. Anyway. Oh wait, it's so close. We reach already.
This morning was not close.
Oh yeah.
It was not close? Where we walked?
Yeah, this morning it wasn't.
Oh, yeah.
Wasn't the closest, but I love the way the water is hitting the sun. I'm joking. I love the way the sun is hitting the water. It's a vibe. And here we are by the deck. It's not as quiet as I thought it would be, but it's no problemo, man. Oh, there goes Boxer. Good. Alright. This is a dock. Is there another way? Like, is there another like path? Oh, go into my bag and take out the cash for Boxer.
No, when you were just now. Here comes John. Here comes John.
So this is where we were this morning. Looks completely different. With a nice sunshine. Vibes. Of course, Boxer's there doing his thing. Speaking of glistening water, here goes Theo's glistening water. Super juice. Right. Jilly for sure is ready to jump. You ready for jump, right? As usual. Alright. Yo, Boxer. Like there we can jump off there, right? Is it deep enough?
Hold on. Give me one second.
I see, man, Boxer got the customer service on lock. Vibes. Yo, as a matter of fact, it's so good, like we forgot to pay him this morning. And you know, some people normally be like, yo, where my cheese at? But nah, for him it's just like, yo, he gets that. Would have reminded us from customer service or whatever the case is. So yeah,
So he's gonna move the boat
and he's gonna move the boat.
so I can jump right.
So oh my gosh. You get excited over these things, bro.
I'm a thrill chaser.
Yep.
I am.
And we have like nice covering from the sun. It's, I mean, like, you know who would be happy for these trees? Guess Scarlett. The almonds. Yeah, Scarlett loves almonds. It's ridiculous. All right, so the boat.
No, you can't swim. You can't swim.
Yeah, we can help ourselves.
You can't swim.
Yep. This doesn't seem very deep.
Asking for a friend. Don't do it. Don't do it. The castles don't do it.
None thought.
Is it deep?
That's not deep. You probably have to jump. You have to jump far out. Yeah, just test the depth. What's a boat in your head there?
It's not that bad.
It's nice.
Yeah. So I have to come back and check off.
And Shauna enters the ring. Water is beautiful, yo. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, guys, time to jump in. I'm gonna toss y'all in the water.
Jump off and think about Olympics.
And Boxer is gone on another little tour in the evening. Pretty cool.
Yes.
Yo, shout out to all the spear fishermen, man.
Big up on the
That
floor.
go in the deep blue, not knowing what's around them.
Exactly.
Yeah, in Jamaica we did hear about that guy.
The shark.
Yeah, that the shark bit. Shout out and condolences to your family. You know,
Because it's not a joke, guys. It's very dangerous.
it's really dangerous, and but you know, people do it for their livelihood.
Question. Oh, we're gonna get off over there. It looks far, don't it?
Really, I think it was an easy swim, to be honest. It was a pretty easy swim.
I don't feel tired.
Not at all. All right, so we're gonna circle around this little rock thingy, because we're gonna try to see what kind of aquatic creatures are around. All right, let's do it. Okay? Okay? Huh? Probably got like a lot of booger on me. How does that feel?
How it was good. How was it for you?
That was amazing.
Yeah,
I like the parts when
I actually saw the lionfish.
you saw it, right?
Yeah.
I was like, yo, be careful. But like when we got to the dark parts, it was like, oh.
Yeah, it was kind of, I felt like nervous.
I was a little bit nervous.
Because I was like, shoot, suppose something just
Popped out.
yeah.
And then we got to over the clear part, it was like, yeah. And then we see a lionfish.
Yeah, I saw another one, you know. It was a bigger one. It was nice.
It was fun.
It was as far as I thought. It looked far, but
It was an easy swim. Yeah. If you had fins.
But I didn't think so. When you're on the water, some parts are very floaty.
Yeah.
Some parts clear, but
Yeah, that's fun.
for the most part.
World's biggest clut. That's the cutest part about you, I kid you not.
What?
That's the cutest part about you, yeah.
That clumsiness?
Oh my god. Yeah.
I can never be sexy. No. I'm not that person.
I know that.
I'm gonna drop.
I'm waiting for it to happen again. So, Blue Lagoon is just beautiful, man. Beautiful. Huh? You wanna try? Okay. Time. Alright, these steps, this is probably the worst part about this place. It's just so many steps. Finally, we are, I mean, it's not that far up to be honest, to be fair, but still. Alright, it is dinner time. Vibes, and as always, Jilly smell good. My gosh.
Chanel. Chance.
Come on, I'm go out and make a couscous. Come on. Here, Stella, go out with that thing though.
Thank you, you see, spikes.
Vibes at the front, I like that. Alright, so we're heading to dinner. On the way up, when our feet, like we were so tired coming up, we stopped and we got our orders in, so that was a vibe, so that way we don't get squared. Yeah, if you're wondering what I mean by squared, when I went to high school, that's Monroe College, if you miss dinner, they call that getting squared. It means you wouldn't have nothing to eat. Yeah, boarding school life. Anyway, okay Theo, we see you, buddy. So yeah, Theo is here, so that means that Shauna should be here, and we're gonna be having dinner with Shauna tonight. Alright, so that sanitizer smells like the barbershop. But guys, this view, this place, it never gets old at all. Never ever gets old. What are you saying? The beautiful sunset. Wow. Again guys, I'm not even gonna try to capture that with the camera. You gotta come here, see it with your own 2 eyes, 4 eyes, whatever you got. Come and see it.
Like, you want to invite me? I was like, no.
You see, that's why you have to talk to really cultured people. So we were here talking to Shauna for a little bit, and Shauna said, I'm just here listening. First of all, we're talking about just how we can't capture the colors and the sounds, and she's just like, yeah, I just like listening to the cicadas. And I'm like, what? Google it. I don't even know how to spell it.
Cicadas. I just Googled it.
Cicados. So that's cicadas,
yes.
Like gizadas.
No. Not at all like it.
But those ambient noises that I said like 2 videos ago or a video ago, that's what we are hearing.
Well, they're not birds.
They're like probably like insects.
They look like grasshoppers.
That's what I said.
No, I'm thinking it's a bird. Like,
nah.
You can try this.
This might creep them out. No, it's okay. Cicadas. Is it like a sexual call? Because I'm almost certain someone's trying to get some. What's a tidbit? Okay, here we go.
But I need to ask you.
Okay.
So, you know, like when you go Mandeville or them place and you hear the crickets playing?
Yeah.
You know that it's not crickets.
Frogs.
Yeah!
Ah, I knew it! That much I know. That much I know. I know that one.
So a lot of people don't know that.
Yeah.
I used to think that they're...
Oh my god. Guys. Wait. Yes, I do. I never knew that as a like I know it's a frog, but like I never. That's dope.
Oh, so is that the ear?
Anyway, we're out. So we got shrimp. Me think it is. I was to hit me the light. So we got a shrimp penne pasta. Of course, we went again for the crab backs. And what I like about Jilly's food, I can see some fritters. She has the other crab back and some wings, wives, and we're waiting. Alright guys, so got done having a really good night. Sean, if by any chance you've seen this video, it was really great meeting you. It made the experience here even better because there were moments of, you know, solitude, me and Jilly just doing our thing, but then you get to experience different things and just learn from different life experiences from someone else. But anyway, gotta wake up early in the morning because I have to pick up my friend from the airport tomorrow. But just to give you guys an idea of what happened, we got to dinner at about 6. We got done eating about like 7:30 and we just spoke until like 10:30. It's 10:24 right now. So you guys get your vibe, you get the idea of what it's all about. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so we're about to leave this beautiful place. Let me tell you, man, it was fantastic. Food was pretty good. The environment was amazing. The room was amazing. Yo, what can I say, man? Everything was pretty good. Maybe you could say service level, if you were trying to get very picky, you would say it's a little bit less than some places I've been to. But I could easily give this place a 10 out of 10, like, to be quite honest. But I'm gonna end it with a 9.5 because there were slight little misses here or there. I think with the oxtail it was a little bit underdone. Am I right?
Yeah, it could have been cooked a little more.
Yeah, and a potato as well, and a couple other stuff. But those things, yeah. But apart from that, like, the place is amazing. Some would easily say 10, hands down. But anyway, I'm gonna head home right now. I need to go pick up my friend from the airport, and it's somewhere about 8:38 a.m. So gotta go. It happened just like Kool-Aid.
What's up, man?
What's up, brother? Good, man. What's good? What's good? Eh? Damn, son. You couldn't come to Jamaica and touch this? Eh?
No, man. As soon as
Eh, El KFC, come on back. Come back. No, how much piece of chicken you buy, Kurt?
6 feet.
My God. Watch the man, don't even wait. Guys, we are back in the air, so we did get a new drone. So this is gonna be my new drone. Shout out to everybody that has been on the Patreon, people that's been on the GoFundMe. We didn't reach to the goal, but thank you guys nonetheless. Well, as far as this video is that, we didn't reach the goal, but the goal was enough to get the drone, you know what I'm saying? Also, shout out to my Patreon that got me another drone. So this is the Mini 2, which is a cool thing. So it gives me options. So if I go to a place I don't want to have a big or heavier drone, I have the Mini 2 where I can practice on or get different kinds of shots. So yo, big up. He said I should call him Santa, so I'm gonna say yo, big up Santa. Brand new drone in here, didn't even pull it, nothing like that. So I appreciate that. Anyway guys, it's been a vibe. I'm just a little bit tired now. All right guys, so shout out to Kurt. Yo, Kurt came down, he brought the YouTube play button, everything like that. We're right now kicking it at a hotel. So he's somewhere in the back on one of those beds. But anyway, yeah, I thought it was only fair to show the people who, did all the supporting on the Patreon, and you know, the people who had some words. I know some people were saying, yo, put it in rice, you know, and stuff like that. Like I was saying to them, like, rice doesn't really help with saltwater damage. It was too far gone, and drones are very sensitive things. But anyway, I definitely want to show you guys the quick unboxing of this. This is the newest drone that they have. They have the first person viewer one, but that one doesn't fit my filming style right now. I did buy the Fly More combo, so that means that I can get a lot more flight time as well as, you know, more footage to show you guys, you know, while I film. So for those who want to know how much it came up to, this was $1,200. At the moment, the GoFundMe got to $1,200. I set it at $2,000 because there's other stuff that I wanted to get to improve the videos. You know what I'm saying? As they always say, like, you know, it's really about you and not the tools. But if the tools are good, then that makes everything better. I am really excited about this drone, to be honest. Oh God. So with the flyboard combo, more batteries, I got a bigger charger, all that good stuff. Ooh, it comes in a carry case like the drone. Turn off the light. Like the drone my subscriber got, so which is cool. So a nice cool carry case comes with. Let's see. Okay, so the drone that crashed was bigger than this one. So this already is a nice little upgrade. So it means that I have a smaller drone, lighter, and when I travel, it's less pressure on the back. A lot of people watch the videos, they don't know that, yo, it's stressful, not in a bad way, but yeah, you gotta do a lot. You know, camping, I don't wanna be carrying heavy stuff. So this is definitely an upgrade. In terms of the weight, it is pretty light. It's a pretty light drone. Better camera on it as well, so that's the vibe. The cool part about it, the drone that the subscriber got for me, is also it uses the same controller. So if I want to use one controller for both drones, I don't have to be walking around with two controllers. So it depends on how I travel. A lot of the times, if I'm going somewhere like a hotel and I don't want a big drone, I can just bring the small one. So this is a new controller that they have. Really cool, different from the one that I had. Joysticks down here. I'm not going to show you guys so much about it because if you're into drones, you know, you can see that on YouTube, all about the drones. What's cool about this drone package as well is that it allows me to charge my other devices. For persons that don't know about drones, usually we fly the drones to about 20% of battery life or 15. So you're basically walking around with 50% battery that you're not even using. So I think this package actually came with something for me to charge my cell phone from. So even if I'm done using the battery on the drone, the remaining 20%, I could use it for my phone. You might be wondering, why is it that we don't just use entire battery life? It's because you want to make sure the drone gets back home, doesn't have any battery failure being so far away from you, even though the drone preserves itself. Anyway, so 2 extra batteries. Again, shout out to you guys for doing that. This is the thing I was talking about. So yeah, it's just this thing you attach to the drone. You can plug in your USB, and then I can charge my my phone or my camera. That's very helpful, especially when I'm out camping. Is there anything missing? These are just some things. I don't know what those are. Just sponges. And yeah, like I said to you guys, the main reason for getting this drone was to do the Soai film. I needed it for a couple shots. So this is the battery ports. I can charge 3 batteries at a time. My last drone I could only charge 1 battery at a time, so this is like a huge upgrade for me. And I think that's everything. Yeah, oh, the hood. The hood is it's something that you put over the screen. So sometimes when you're flying in the sun, like I often do, you can hardly see the glare from it, and the hood just blocks some of that. Eventually I'll just buy one of their smart controllers, but that's like about $700 just for the controller. But the cool part about it, it has a screen on it, so you don't have to attach your phone. It has a long battery life, and it's ultra bright, so even if you're in a bright situation, you can still see. But anyway, I don't want to keep you guys any longer. Thank you guys so much for this awesome gift. I appreciate it so much, even though I had already ordered it before because I never wanted to like depend on the GoFundMe. But what that really did for me is like I can spend my money elsewhere. So right now my car is in the shop. I have to do upgrades to it to make sure it's good because I bought an old car that can do some off-roading. And big shout out to Kurt. Kurt literally flew all the way down to Jamaica to make sure I got all this. So I got the YouTube play button, which will make a feature in that film that I'm working on. Yeah. And of course, I mean, he came for food as well. But so and he got his Kentucky already. So shout out, bro, for being a huge help to Soai Vlogs. You see me? A lot of people will not do something like that. Every time coming down through customs with the bag and pan, like he got loaded up like a. Yeah, worrying, but you know, we pulled it off. Yes. Shout out, bro. Thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
Boom. All right, I'm gonna do this one for the people who are excited just about gadgets in general. This one is from the other subscriber who just sent me out this. He had it at home. He never had a use for it, And yeah, brand new drone, hasn't even been pulled from. Yo, let me tell you something, man. I've been stressing about my vehicle, but this is a blessing, you know, something extra. This is the DJI Mini 2, and what's cool about it, if you look at the sizes in drones, you realize that this one is ultra tiny. So this can do some stuff that I would need it to do in smaller, tighter spaces. So that's cool, because on a given day, I wouldn't be able to afford to buy this just to do that, you know? So same thing, like I said, same controller in here like the big one, same accessories, but just to show you guys the difference. And this is a cool device. I cannot wait to fly this one. It's probably as capable as my older drone and smaller, because sometimes I'd be flying by the beach and the wind would be, you know, kicking it all around, but this small one is really powerful. Now you can imagine the new one that I got as well. Anyway, vibes. All right, guys, so I'm tired, I'm pooped. So what I'm gonna do is just get a good night's rest and just call this hotel travel thing, you know, a little break for now. Yeah, see you guys in the morning.